Hi, what's up, Dogecoin holder? So, Dogecoin holder, congratulations to today, my friends. The price of Dogecoin will pumps up, and I am so happy. I'm very excited because my brother, today video is going very good for all viewers now. My friends, today I have just an only good news is for all of you, and a lot of good news is not just one, my friend. But kindly one must watch this video, and please for more videos, subscribe this channel. Click the red button, subscribe this channel. If you want to earn money in a crypto, subscribe this channel, my brother. In this time, you can see here the Dogecoin price will be pumps up, but after before you can see here, my friend, you can see here before a pump they will very badly dumps down. So definitely every coin, my friend, will fails down, but after a big dump, absolutely every coin will pumps up very huge now. So therefore, my friend, you can see here they will take a very huge jump, but some holders, my friends, try to understand, please, if you are starting selling in those days, so they cannot give you a profit, because in those days the price is increasing. So everybody know this, my friends, to win a price will increasing. So you will need, my friends, to hold, you will need to invest more, you will need to buy more. So therefore I will tell you, my friends, to please don't starting selling in those days, otherwise you cannot get a profit, you will just and only loss now. And definitely, my friend, if you want to get a profit in very short term, so now just and only follow my advice, how you will give you 100% guarantee to you will earn a lot of money from crypto, my brother. And this time, my friend, this chart is clearly told you, my friend, to in last 24 hours they will get moving upward. If they're not moving upward, so definitely they will never fails down. Definitely when they were fails down, so they will recover just in only in 1 hour. So therefore I'm very happy, my friends, because my brother, the giveaway is also coming soon now. Please, if you want to participate, just and only subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. When we will complete 15,000 subscribers, definitely, my friend, we will do a giveaway. So please complete my 15,000 subscriber. See you next time, Dogecoin holder. My opinion is for all of you to please hold. What's your opinion? Share it in a comment box.